Good morning, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the essentially you can find at the blog fibonaccistalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @fibstalker nickname. Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, May the 21st, 2013, and in this video I'm going to review quickly the SP500 mini futures, which you see on the screen is the continuous contract aligned to the June 2013 expiration. This contract is traded on the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. The reason why I'm going to review this chart is because I believe SP500 is very close to reversal. Reversal does not mean that this is a short, but probably the long here is temporary ended. And the reason why I believe that is because we are very close. We have actually hit or very close to hitting a level of the second target here, which is this 1671, and actually we have the high was 1670.75, so we could consider this second target here hit. What does that mean now? I'll show you in a minute. First of all, what I want to do, I want to show you the overall analysis on what happened before we got here. And those who follow me know that in my last few analysis of the SP500 the mini, I start always from these May-June lows in 2012 to highs in September, and that identified this 1348 level, and we had long participation at this level, and price never went below 1322 on this continuous contract here. Now, as you can see here, price went to 1510 first, the first target. There was a small retracement here, and then price continued and hit the second target 1594. And as you can see, we had a clear reaction here at these levels. There was profit taking here, and as price went through the first target and to the second one, we know as per our rules that price is now trading in extensions. And the first thing I did when I saw that was to trace the highs to highs, and this is the actual this is the next measure move in this sequence. Okay, I will remove this just to make the chart a little bit clearer. Now, I've been using this 1450 as the anchor, and as we can see, price didn't make down into the 1525, and the reason is that the data I have on TradeStation is back adjusted. If we consider other levels, for example, the levels that you would see the price, the highs in September in other platforms, so like for example Thinkorswim. And Thinkorswim, there would be a different way of calculating the continuous contract, and that would be, and this high would be at 1467. So by tracing from this level, and you can check this on TOS as well, as we can see, the low was in the 1530 level, and that's what I'm going to use here. Actually, that's what I had to use here in the past. I didn't use that. I used the 1525. So those who follow me did not get an entry, a precise entry here. But nevertheless, as we can see, we now have two targets here. The first one in the 1625 area was hit, and the second one is between the 1671 and 77. So if the first target was actually hit, it's possible that the price of the S&P 500 will continue higher into this 1677, and then I think we are going to see a probable correction. So I will consider this hit this hit at the moment. So I'm not going to wait for 1677 to be hit. What we know is that if price continues higher, then we should see additional profit taking at that 1677. Now, what is important to understand is that profit taking will eventually come. So where this could bring price to, I believe that we will continue in extensions long, and then if we get profit taking, I believe this is going to bring price into this 1630, maybe not now, maybe by the end of the week, or beginning of this move lower by the end of the week, and then continuing into next week. And I believe we are not going to see price below this 1623 here, and I don't believe this is the start of the move lower. I think it's more probable that we will continue higher, and then we might even hit, we might revisit this 1670 after we test this 1630 area. And if we continue higher, we can go into 1688, or maybe even the second target 1718. So it's not the start of the move lower just yet, and I believe this is a very good setup if you are short-termed. Of course, if we move below 1623 and 20 level, then we have to expect something larger to come, and that would be the trace a new support from I believe lows to highs here, and this could come in the 454 level. So I think price will reverse if we get to 1632 here, and we will see more buying, bringing price back into this 1670. But if this 1623 fails, then it's very probable we are going to see a 180 points sell, and this is going to be very quick, maybe taking 2 or 3 weeks to 1 month, and we could see price into this 1454. And this is it for today. So be careful up here. It's not time to go long the S&P 500. We could see 1677 here, but then a retrace into 1630 area, and that's what I anticipate here. I hope you'll have a great day. Thank you for your attention. If you want to receive more information on or get analysis on the euro dollar as well, please you can check my website on fibonaccistalking.com, and you can also subscribe my newsletter. It's a free newsletter. It takes only 10 seconds to subscribe, and I would be happy to send you the information. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a great day. Bye bye.